Hi friends, it's time for another minis challenge, the Spring Mardi Gras and St. Patrick's Day edition. I'll have links to the host Corie and the playlist in the description box. For my first DIY, I'm going to play around with some of this epoxy resin I picked up from Amazon. These little glitter powders came in it, and I have this Wilton alphabet and number silicone tray. I found that on Amazon as well. I'll try to link those in the description box, but I want to mix my resin up, and I have added some pink glitter. I want to spell out spring, so I'm just going to get this mixed up. You have to have equal parts of A and B, and it stays liquid for about 40 minutes, so you can play around with it if you want to change your container or add a little bit more or mix it up a little bit more with more of the like a mica powder or more glitters. So I just get these all together in my little red solo cup and give them a good stir to make sure that glitter gets distributed. I think this will be a really cute, fun spring-like look. And I'm just going to pour it in to my mold so I can spell out spring. And I end up having just a bit more extra left over. So I snipped off the end of one of the spring ice cube trays from Dollar Tree that are shaped like the bunnies. And I poured the excess in those just to have a little bit more of a cute spring vibe on my tiered tray. This fully cures within 24 hours. I left this for about 6 hours and they were pretty much firm except for the letter S. The back of it was just a little bit tacky, but they were firm enough for me to take them out and handle them. So I popped them out, and I don't want to have them glued down to like a wood stand or anything. I want them to be freestanding, and I'm just going to hot glue the letters to each other. A little something different. I love the glittery translucent pink. I think this will be such a cute addition to my tier tray. So for my second DIY, I'm using this pet rock that I found at Dollar Tree like 2 years ago. Red, white, and black acrylic paints. Now the stone itself looks really cute. It looks like maybe it could be like an outdoor little like garden statue, but I really want this pop of red and black on my tier tray. I think ladybugs are so cute for springtime, and I used to play with these when I was little. We would pick them up and let them crawl around on our hands, and I thought this would be just so cute to add into my spring tier tray. With the body and head paint finished, I just used the back of a paintbrush and dotted little white paint for eyes and drew on a mouth with a white paint marker, and that was it for this cute little ladybug. For this DIY, I'm using matte red and flag red apple barrel paint, wood beads from Dollar Tree, the multi-pack 125 count, a wood slat from Dollar Tree, they come in a pack of 6, and a decal I found on Design Space. So to get started, we're just going to get our wood slat covered in this black matte paint. I'm using a red Cricut vinyl, and this transfer tape is from Dollar Tree. So with that complete, you're going to take 2 different sizes of wood beads from this multi-pack from Dollar Tree, red and black paint, and you'll end up with your beads looking like this. And we're just going to hot glue the larger bead to the smaller bead and end up with what looks like a little ladybug. So I'm just going to take a black paint marker and add a few dots, and my cute little ladybug is complete. For this DIY, I have a decal that I found in Design Space, boots and flowers for perfect springtime, one of the breadboards from Dollar Tree, white paint, but I don't think I'm going to use it. I think I'm going to leave the breadboard natural. Got some gingham ribbon and then some watercolors. So I want to get my decal attached here, and I'm thinking that these flowers would look really beautiful painted in with the watercolors. And after finishing my watercolors, I just added a little bow with that gingham ribbon and hot glued it to the top. And that was it for this cute little breadboard. I think this is such a cute, fresh look for spring. And here's everything put together on a small tiered tray. I think everything turned out super cute. Don't forget the playlist. I'll have a link in the description box along with a link to Corie's channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day.